Want to collect instant feedback, spark discussions, and keep your audience engaged during presentations. Live polls are one of the most popular features in AhaSlides, allowing participants to vote and respond in real time. In this guide, I'll show you how to create live polls in AhaSlides in 2026. First, sign in to your AhaSlides account and open an existing presentation or create a new one where you'd like to add a live poll. Click the Add New Slide button and select the poll option. This creates a slide where participants can submit responses during your presentation. Type the question you want your audience to answer. Keep the wording simple and clear so participants can quickly understand what's being asked. Next, enter the answer choices for your poll. You can create multiple options and organize them in a way that makes voting easy for your audience. Open the poll settings and adjust options such as multiple selections, response limits, timers, result visibility, and chart display styles. These settings help tailor the experience to your event. Before presenting, preview the poll to make sure everything works correctly. Test the question, answer choices, and result display so there are no surprises later. When you're ready, start presenting and share the join code, QR code, or participation link with your audience. As people submit responses, the results will update live on screen. And that's how to create live polls in AhaSlides in 2026. Live polls are a simple yet powerful way to boost participation, gather opinions, and make presentations more interactive. So add a live poll to your next presentation and start engaging your audience instantly. Thanks for watching.